Welcome everybody to the week ahead for financial markets with Mike Smith, Head of Client Education and Trading. Wonderful to be with you. I hope you had a great weekend. Let's just check out the headlines for today, our 5 market moving factors that we think could have an influence on sentiment. Number one of these, of course, is that we saw a retracement in the major indices last week, but that appears to be temporary. Earnings keep on coming in very well. As we're going to talk about in a moment, the Nasdaq hit new highs on Friday, with big tech driving markets higher. The S&P 500 is a whisker away from also hitting new highs as well. With the futures looking positive, that could happen this evening. But there is some major things going on, which we're going to outline in this video. As I've already said, US earnings have outperformed continuously ever since start. And now we've got more than 3/4 of the S&P 500 reported. 81% so far have beaten EPS, and exactly the same figure have beaten revenue expectations. A stellar earnings season and undoubtedly supporting valuations where they are now. Of course, trade talks remain a headline act. The China key date is approaching. It'll be interesting to see if there is any progress on that. Generally speaking, markets are expecting a possible pause with a couple of tweaks, but of course, we'll need some evidence of that over the next couple of days or so. Also, this week we've got the US CPI. After that weekend non-farm payrolls the week before last, there's a September rate cut priced in to around the tune of 95% likelihood. But this number is going to be important both to support that and to potentially dictate what happens for the rest of 2025. We know that debate between Trump and Powell continues and is likely to do so. And finally, on a chart front, we notice Bitcoin is testing a record. Cryptos did pull back, but over the course of last week have seen increasing buying. And if we look at the chart right now, then you can see Bitcoin coming up and retesting that key level that was hit back here on the 15th of July. You can see that breach in today's Asian trading. Very nice move indeed, which has put us above that. This will be a record close if it holds. And that key 120,000 level looks under pressure. So that's your key 5 market moving factors for this week. Of course, you can keep up to date. We are having live market updates at lunchtime on both Monday and Wednesday live on YouTube. And watch out for our inner circle on Wednesday also. We'll be discussing something that will be innovative and exciting to all of you, irrespective of what level you currently trade. And remember, of course, we're always here to help. So if you have anything that you need assistance with, our support team are ready and waiting to take your call. You guys take care, trade safe, have a great week. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.